In this video we're going to be looking at sending messages to the OSC object to change the frequency that it oscillates at. So its current patch, which I have here, has two objects. It has the OSC tilde object, which is set up as a default to output at 440 Hz, and then the output of this is directed to the left and the right of our audio card. So this will output a tone at 440 Hz to left and right. So if we wanted to change this, we can do this by sending this OSC object a message. So if we go to put and then message, and we will put, say we'll go 880, and we will connect this message up to the input of our OSC object there. So what will happen when I enable the DSP system is this will output a sine wave at 440 Hz, and then if I click on this, it will then change this to a sine wave at 880. Now to enable this, I need to go into out of edit mode. So if we go to edit and then click edit mode, and you'll see that we now no longer get that finger come up. And if I enable the DSP system, it is now outputting a sine wave at 440, and now this gets changed when I click on the 880. So I'll just turn this off and we'll talk through what happened here. So we have a message which has the number 880 in it, and this outputs a message to here. So when this receives another number, it then starts oscillating at the new number. So I could do this several ways. If we put this into edit mode and then add another message, we can have several of these. We'll do 220 and then patch it through to the same input. I can now change the frequency just by pressing on one of these. So if I put this back into edit mode, out of edit mode, and then turn the DSP system on, it's continuing to output a sine wave at 880 Hz because I haven't changed anything. But if I click on this, then that changes it to 220, and I can go back between these two here. So that way we can change the frequency that this oscillates at by sending a message to that object.